Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, my crypto teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, now today in this update I'm going to be talking about Celer Network. Celer Network is one of the best financial investment opportunities that you can buy for 2 pennies or less, 2 cents. 2 cents. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I love Celer Network. This technology is not going anywhere but up. So I'm going to give you all an update. Hang with me through the entire video because I'm going to show you how to stake Celer Network. A lot of you all want to know how to stake Celer Network. I'm going to give you all step-by-step instructions. They are very easy to follow. So listen to the entire video. Now, first of all, for those of y'all who want to make some money, not the broke people, for people who just want to stay status quo, stay broke, not take a chance, not have vision, this is not for you. This is for people who can say, you know what? I understand this technology enough. I know that crypto is going to be part of our future. Look at ChatGPT. Look at all this artificial intelligence, guys. Technology is changing. It is changing. Get on the boat. There's no reason to miss out. When you can invest in an excellent project for the future for less than 2 pennies and you don't, shame on you. I mean, look at your life. Look at your bank account. Look at your investments. What have you done for me lately? Okay, that's what you're going to ask your portfolio. What has your portfolio done for you lately? Okay, I know I'm excited. I'm excited because guess what? I think that we've made major regression in the market. I think we're nearing the end. I don't think we're at the end. We're still in the bear market. Too many things are going on, but I think we're getting there and I'm feeling good about it. I am accumulating me some Celer Network. Accumulate. Y'all know accumulate. Okay, let me get into it now. So I'm on Twitter. For those of you all who are not familiar with Celer Network, let me first bring y'all up to speed. First of all, Celer Network, they have a multi-bridge cross-chain governance solution that allows multiple interoperability protocols to work together and cross-check each other, okay? This achieves much better security versus a single bridge solution. Should be a no-brainer for the solution. And that's what they tweeted out there. And they are right. It should be a no-brainer for the community. Celer Network, during this bear market, they are really making strides. They're improving and increasing their partnerships. I'm getting ready to talk about it. And Celer Network is going to be a big part of DeFi. If you don't think DeFi is going to be part of our future, shame on you. You are a dinosaur, okay? DeFi, the way that we transact financially, is going to be different. It's going to be different. We are moving closer and closer and closer to a 100% digital economy. Just look at all the things that have changed. There are so many things. You can go into the store, can't even buy coins anymore. You can't even find coins. So anyway, Celer Network has the inner message framework that they use, lots of different partnerships. They also have their C-Bridge. Their C-Bridge is secure. I'm going to talk about one of their partnerships that they had. They did an AMA. AMA stands for Ask Me Anything. Now, I'm going to be a little salty because I did email the Celer Network team. They didn't email me back. Unless I just didn't see it in my email. I don't know why they won't email me back. Anyway, they did an AMA with another company, which is all good. It's okay because guess what? It's not going to impact my riches that I'm going to have with Celer Network. Now, so first of all, let's go onto Twitter. Let's just find out what's going on with Celer Network. Now, they are continuing to build. That is what you want to see in your project. You want to see that during a bear market, your project does not go under. They have the capacity to continue to build and get better. Celer Network is a huge part of DeFi. Remember, they have over 140 tokens. that can actually be transacted and use their bridges. They also can work with over 40 different blockchains. The future of blockchain is going to be multi-chain and interoperability. So the more interoperable you are, the better of a chain that you are. All right, so let's take a look here. They've got, they did an, they, 12.5 billion right now, and they're celebrating. Celer Network has over 12.5 billion in successful transactions on their network. That is a big deal. They have very low fees, top-notch security, which is what you want. You know, there was a lot of issues with tokens doing cross-bridge transactions, but Celer Network is extremely secure, and that's why a lot of the premier companies are choosing Celer Network to partner with and to transact their money because they believe in them, okay? C-Bridge now supports Hippo. Hippo is another company that's doing DeFi transactions, and they selected C-Bridge. Why? Because C-Bridge is secure. That's why, okay? Now, they had an AMA with this company called Open Ocean Global. Now, it's about a 50-minute interview. I listened to it, so you don't have to. Here was the big takeaway. Open Ocean Global, they selected Celer Network because of their security, because of their capacity, because of their ability to be able to function and be effective in this bear market. So Celer Network is it. They use words like king of the DeFi. You can listen to it if you want to. Here it is right here. So they are excited about the interchain messaging framework. They're looking to improve their experience and make it a seamless cross-chain swapping and cost-saving experience for their customers. Like I said, it's very simple to use. Celer Network is very simple to use. It's a one-click experience for customers that are using it. So that's a big deal, all right? That's what's going on. So here's all you need to know. Celer Network is continuing to build, and that's just a big deal. It's continuing to build, and then they give you some information on how they partner with Arbitron. So see, they're still doing stuff. They're still doing stuff. This is what you want in a project. This is why I continue to accumulate. That's why I accumulate Celer Network. I know I bought it at what, 14 cents, 15 cents, and guess what? I'm buying it at 2 cents and 1.8 cents. I mean, I just feel like it's just worth it. So anyway, so there we go. There is Celer Network and what it's about. Let's take a look at the market real quick. Now, the market has been up a little. Don't get suckered. I think this is a fake rally. I'm not going all in. I'm accumulating Celer Network because I just feel good about it. At the price, I just got to get in and get as much as possible. But the market is, the total market is like $1 trillion. So remember, don't get excited. We're still down $2 trillion with a T, $2 trillion. I just don't think it's time to get in. Not financial advice. Do whatever you want with your money. One of the things that successful investors do is they use patience. Don't FOMO. Watch my video. Do not FOMO. Fear of missing out. Believe me, you will have opportunities to get in at a good price. Decide what you want to get in with. Decide on your entry. Right now, just learn about blockchain. Learn about crypto. Get an understanding. Set up your accounts. Don't go all in today, okay? I would not. I would just tiptoe in, you know, just tiptoe. Just tiptoe. Put your like half of your toe in the water. So that's what you want to do. All right, so now let's take a look at this market, because we're still down $2 trillion. Okay, Bitcoin is like 23,000. People all worked up. I don't know. But anyway, that's the deal. I want to find, let me find Celer. Y'all know I'm using CoinGecko, right? CoinGecko, that's my favorite. Celer Network and market cap is number 267. Right now, you can get it for 1.8 cents. That's less than 2 pennies. That is less than 2 pennies, okay? That's less than 2 pennies. Are you kidding me? That's less than 2 pennies. You think I wouldn't own a Celer network? Yes, I would. So anyway, let's look at the chart. You see it's been up and down. It hits almost 2 pennies and it came back down. That's where it's at. But you know what? I like it. I love Celer Network. It's an excellent project. Think about it. It has utility. The developers are continuing to build and improve this project throughout the bear market. It's extremely affordable. Everybody got 2 pennies. Everybody got 2 pennies. Now, I wouldn't suggest you just spend 2 cents. I would spend a little bit more, okay? So, but this is a very, 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 very affordable, inexpensive project that will be a very important part of our future, okay? So just check it out. Now, I told you that there is Celer Network and I love it. What have you done for me lately? They've made their price lower. So yeah, I know. I'm just being silly, y'all, because my voice is going out. It is. My voice is awful. I don't know. Anyway, so let's take a look at now, how do you stake? So you got you some Celer Network, and if you're excited like me. So what I did, you all, make sure you are protecting your wealth. I had to take all of my crypto out of this Binance account because I didn't want to just show all my business. But anyway, I'm going to show you all this so you can see where we at with it. All right, so what you can see is we're going to go through it. So don't just hold tight. Just hang on in. Hold on. Let me get set up. So you own your Celer Network. So what you have to do, first you got to own some. So you got to buy it. And I've got a video that tells you how to buy tokens on Binance.us if you're in the United States. Make sure you go to the home page. You see where I've got the arrow pointed? Home. Tap on your phone or your computer. Home. You want to start from the home page. The next thing you want to do on your home page, you see how I grade out my money? I just put like $100 in here for purposes of staking, so I can show you all this. Okay, so from the home page at the bottom, the next thing you're going to do, look at the bottom. It says staking. Click on the staking icon. Once you click on staking, you're going to see at the top, available to stake. See up here? So I've got a little bit of Cosmos in here, and I've got Celer Network. So don't worry, hold on. Once you click on staking, look, your cryptos that are available to stake, they're going to show you right up here, right up there. And if you're looking for something else to stake, you can just scroll down and see what other cryptos you can stake on Binance. Once you see what cryptos you have available to stake, I have right now Cosmos, which is paying 15% APY. What have you done for me? Okay. And Celer Network. Celer Network is 5% APY. Now, you see that? Now, I want to stake Celer. Tap or click Celer. Once you tap or click Celer, you're going to see this second page come up right here. Look at this. And then here on this page, Binance.us pays out staking rewards every Friday. So every Friday I get free money. Now, pay attention. Remember, when you stake, no matter what, you cannot access your funds. So down here for Binance, the unstaking period is 8 days. So what that means is, once you stake your Celer Network, you cannot unstake for 8 days. Your money is locked up. You haven't lost it, but you can't touch it for 8 days, okay? For 8 days. All right, so go ahead and click on Start Staking. Once you click there, you've got to select the amount that you want to stake. And I just selected all. I hit stake the max. You can stake half. You can stake a portion. You can use the little calculator down here, the keypad, and enter in an amount, but you just decide how much you want to stake. And they're also going to give you a projected yearly rewards. You can see here what your projected rewards are. After you figure out what you want to stake, click on Preview Stake. And then after that, you're all set. You got estimated APY. Rewards are paid every Friday. The unstaking period is 8 days, and that varies by crypto. Some crypto, the unstaking period might be 15 days, 20 days, 10 days, 4 days. Every crypto can be different. Just know that, okay? And I've got the auto restake is automatically enabled, which means as I earn free tokens, I want them to put that back in with my balance and restake all of my balance, okay? When you feel good about it, go ahead and click on confirm stake. And then voila, your stake is successful. You've done it. You've done it. There you go. So I staked like 5,304 Celer. And that's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. All right, so I need 10,000 subscribers. Not at that, I need 10,000 subscribers. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I appreciate you all for watching my channel. I hope you're finding value in this channel, and I hope you're getting a little bit of laughter too, right? I know it's funny. I feel good when I can buy something for 2 cents. When I can buy the future for 2 pennies, it makes me feel good. All right, so that's how you stake your Celer network on Binance.us. Remember, my name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Please, I need 10,000 subscribers. Subscribe, like, put a comment. Is Celer network one of your favorite? Is Celer network one of your favorite tokens? If it's not, what's your favorite token? Put that in the put that down there in the comment section. I want to see what your favorite token is. Make sure you share. Watch my other videos. Increase your wealth. Protect your wealth. My name is Ida. I'm your crypto teacher. I am out.